Alright, I wanted to show you this product called Bondo body filler. It's a plastic filler, and we use it for filling in large areas, large holes or cracks or something in wood, because it's easy to work with. It dries quickly, it's easy to sand, and just has a lot of good properties. So what it is, it's a two-part system, and what the instructions say is if you mix something the size of a golf ball, you should put hardener on there 1.25 inches long and mix it thoroughly. Always do it on something plastic because it'll clean off of plastic pretty easily. So what I'm going to do is put the hardener on there, and you know, you put more hardener in, it's going to harden faster. That's the only thing, and you don't want to waste it. So if you need it to harden quicker, you put a little more in. But what I'm using it for, I have a big piece of wood, a big hole that has been covered with a piece of wood. See how it all turned the color pink, right? And what's happening is there's a chemical reaction going on, and it's getting hot. And now you got to move kind of quickly because it's going to start to set up here, and then you aren't going to be able to get it on. So what I'm going to do, take it up here. This is where I'm using it, right up here. And what's nice about this product is it sands very easily. And these squeegees, they're actually made by the Bondo Corporation. This is what we use to fix rust in cars. So what I want to do is kind of leave it a little high so that when I sand it, I can sand down to the level of the wood. Okay, and you see it's. I may have to do. I think I'm gonna have to do a couple, and that's always a good thing. Do a couple layers, so you don't have to work so hard at it. But this brings me to another point that I thought. Planning your project is important. I should have done this earlier. I should have done this before I primed. I could have done this first thing this morning, then gone to do my caulking, and it would have been dry by the time I started to prime. Now I'm going to have to wait for that to dry so that I can begin painting. But that's beside the point. I'll get back to you when it's time to sand this.